Namaste. Welcome to our day 22. Let's begin today's practice in laying down position. So lie down onto your back with your feet together, hands by the side. Tuck your chin to the chest. Then inhale, bring your right leg up on the 90-degree posture. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. And let's do both legs together. Inhale, use your core. Lift your both legs up. And try not to touch the ground if possible. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Shake your leg. Then inhale, right leg up. Bend the knee. Hold with your hand. Inhale. Lift your head up. Touch your forehead to the knee. Exhale. Exhale down. And inhale. Exhale, bring your right leg to the left. Look to the right. Inhale back to the center. Bring your leg up 90 degree and down. And repeat the same with the left leg. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Lift your head up. Exhale, drop your head down. And inhale. Exhale, twist to the right. Look to the left. Back to the center. Bring the leg back on the 90 degree. And exhale down. And bend your knees. Bring the hands. Hold the ankles or hands on the ground, whichever is easy. Then inhale, lift your hips all the way up. Then beginners can stay here. Intermediate can bring the hand under the back, support the back. Intermediate can stay here, and those who feel comfortable staying in this, they can raise right leg up as they inhale. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, right leg. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Whenever you're ready, very slowly come down. Stretch your leg, shake them, and get ready for full bridge. So bring the hand under your shoulders. Adjust your body and push with your hands. Adjust and all the way up. Exhale down. We will repeat 3 times. So beginners can go back into the asana, the posture we were doing earlier. Intermediate can follow along. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And stretch your legs out. Shake them. Get ready for shoulder stand. So palm by the side, then bend your knee or lift the leg all the way up, and then push with your hands and supporting your back. Beginners can stay here. Intermediate can inhale. Exhale, bring the right leg towards the ground. You don't need to go all the way. If you can't, just try up to here. Inhale up. Exhale, left leg down. Inhale up. Exhale, right leg. Inhale. Exhale, left leg. Go back to shoulder stand. Stay. To come out of the pose, you want to lower your hip down, support your hips, and very slowly roll yourself all the way down. Stretch your leg. So bring the hands under your body. Inhale. Push with your elbows. Lift your head up. Look at your toes. Then inhale. Extend your chest out. Drop your head on the ground. Beginners can stay here. Intermediate, remove the hand, bring the palm together and lift the legs up. And drop the hand, release your hands and go into Svanasana. Your feet apart, hands apart, palm facing upward to ceiling. And you can go ahead and relax between 30 seconds to up to 2 minutes. Depends on how long you have for today's practice. And whenever you're ready, gently turn to your right, push with your hands, sit up. Take your time, there is no hurry. Whenever you're ready, thanks and prayer pose. And gently open your eyes. Namaste.